DJI Air 2S is great from hobby all the way up to professional usage. Note, if you are using this professionally, make sure you have your 107 certification, or else Uncle Sam will hunt you down and come down on you with some hefty fines. This drone has a plethora of killer features, so make sure you watch the whole video to catch them all. Now, whether this is a hobby or for professional use, you will get some amazing images. The camera in the DJI Air 2S has a 1-inch CMOS sensor and a 22mm wide-angle lens that's capable of 20 megapixel stills and up to 5.4K Ultra HD videos. When shooting in 5.4K, along with other resolutions, you get the whole sensor. However, when using higher frame rates such as 60p and up, the image will crop in. With this larger sensor, it has bigger pixels allowing to intake more light. Because of this, it offers higher quality images and better low light performance. This larger sensor also offers a higher dynamic range. With more information paired with 10-bit D-Log, you have plenty of color information for post-production to dial in exactly what you want, no matter the resolution. Now, there is also 10-bit HGL and 8-bit normal mode for faster turnarounds, but personally, I would honestly stick to shooting 10-bit D-Log whenever possible to have maximum flexibility during post-production. Something that I find pretty cool is the Master Shots feature. Master Shots will follow your subject and automatically select one of 3 flight routes: proximity, landscape, or portrait, based on the subject and its distance. It will record a sequence of shots and edit according to a variety of preset theme templates. As you can see here, my drone decided this route for me. I will basically just let my drone do all my work for me from now on. I guess I could just sit back and relax. In addition to the drone being an AI sentient being and filming everything itself, it comes with 3 active focus track modes. Active Track 4.0. You can select a subject and the drone will track and keep it centered in the frame. It will then automatically fly and track the subject as it moves. It will maintain a safe distance so it doesn't attack you like a hawk, and it will use obstacle avoidance to protect itself in flight. If the subject is lost, they are basically lost for eternity. The drone will automatically attempt to require a lock. Spotlight 2.0. With this mode, you can select the subject and the drone will track and keep the subject centered in the frame, giving you the ability to pilot freely so you can still fly this mama jama however you want. POI 3.0. This will track a subject in a circle based on a set radius and flight speed. This means you can get those epic circle shots that like literally everybody wants in a video. The DJI Air 2S also offers Hyperlight and Smart Photo. With Hyperlight, you can take better shots at night or in low light scenarios. Now with Smart Photo, the drone automatically recognizes 5 different scenes utilizing Hyperlight and HDR technology to help optimize photo and video results as needed. Due to it raining, I wasn't able to get these shots, but so you know, it is pretty cool. This drone is also equipped with an FPV gimbal. This gives you a bit of that first-person flying experience of an FPV drone without crashing every 0.35 seconds. Normally the gimbal is synchronized with the horizon to give you smooth footage and it goes like with the horizon, but in FPV gimbal mode, you can synchronize the gimbal with the physical movements of the Air 2S itself. So it kind of almost looks like you're steering an airplane as like you're the pilot. In addition to the amazing images, some of the physical features really puts a lot of value into this drone. Each battery offers up to 31 minutes of flight time. If you get the Fly More combo like I did, it comes with 3 batteries, so you're really set for any shoot. By the way, the Fly More kit also comes with a set of ND filters, which really comes in handy on daytime shoots. The remote that comes with the drone offers up to 4 hours of remote battery life. With the default remote, it contains 4 remote antennas and OcuSync 3.0 technology. This gives a stable, live view from the drone about 7.5 miles away. The DJI Air 2S is also compatible with the Smart Controller. Unfortunately, with the Smart Controller, it is only compatible with OcuSync 2.0 technology with 2 antennas. While it isn't as stable as OcuSync 3.0, it still gives you enough stability with quality images with full HD transmission up to 4.3 miles away. Keep in mind, this depends on your environment and other wireless signals. For instance, I was flying near downtown Austin and was able to go almost a mile before losing signal. I had this smart controller from my previous drone, so I decided to keep this since they're so expensive, and I wanted to use it with this drone because I do some live stream events, and the HDMI output on the smart controller comes in handy for that because you can just plug in directly to the mixer. Now, the drone offers a variety of manual features that you can change, Since this drone is a little more professional like the Mavic 2 Pro, this is something I can love because I can customize some of the settings to fit the image I want. Unfortunately, the only thing you can't change is the aperture. It is stuck at f2.8, but according to DJI, this is to keep the weight down. Now, since the shot is so wide, you really won't have much of a shallow depth of field, but you have the ability to autofocus or use manual focus if you like to make sure your subject is in focus. Remember, you have to have a blurry background if you want to be a real filmmaker. In addition to taking a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes of storage, it also offers 8 gigabytes of internal storage in case for that rare moment you happen to forget an SD card or run out of space. In addition to the awesome image and physical features, this little drone has some amazing safety features as well. The Air 2S drone is equipped with forward, backward, upward, and downward sensors, and with the addition of APAS 4.0 technology, you can avoid obstacles while flying in open and narrow environments, such as when flying through trees. I feel this is pretty important in case you aren't the most amazing pilot, but you should still practice to get better just in case a sensor fails. It also comes with AirSense that will warn pilots of nearby airplanes and helicopters that transmit ADS-B signals, letting you fly to safer locations. It also features Geo 2.0, which uses geofencing to help advise you of airspace restrictions. This really helps, like just in case you misread an airspace map on an app such as Before You Fly, so it was really good to know. There is also an auxiliary LED light for improved vision and safety in low light. Keep in mind that even though you no longer need a waiver to fly at night, this LED light does not meet the requirements set by the FAA to fly at night. You need an anti-collision light that is visible at least a minimum of 3 statute miles away. Overall, I feel the DJI Air 2S is a professional drone that comes in a compact body that makes travel easy. There are larger, more expensive drones that will give you a better image and offers more features, but at this price point of like $1,300 for the Fly More combo, and with 10-bit D-Log, you can capture a fantastic image for any project. If you want to buy the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo, the link is in the description and the pinned comment below. If you found this video helpful, attack that like button and subscribe for more filmmaker news, tutorials, and reviews. Ring the notification bell as well so you get to see this lovely face. Keep fighting, film friends. Viking DP out. Oh yeah, also don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and check out my latest video. Yeah.